Hello YouTubers, my name is Leon Tran from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you guys how to upload a WordPress plugin from your WP admin dashboard. So say you bought a WordPress plugin, for example here. So make sure you're uploading the actual plugin. So these are not WordPress files. So make sure you extract out just the plugin file to upload. So you can double check by clicking on it and just making sure that it has a single folder just like this. Now head over to your WP admin, go to plugin, add new. Up here it'll say upload plugin, click on that and now browse here to find your plugin. So here it is. I browse to the folder containing the plugin, and now make sure you select the correct plugin zip file. Click on open, install now, and there it is. Plugin installed successfully, and now you can activate it. And that's how easy it is to upload a new plugin. Thanks for watching.